dun da 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 dun dun da 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 dun dun. Yeah. Cool as calligraphy, pen got etiquette. Talking italics, they still try to credit it. Drip so articulate, critics need etiquette. I bend metaphors till they beg for the predicate. Glass half full of a past half wow. Smile like a secret, smooth but style. I don't chase trends, I just walk meanwhile. Let 'em jog for clout, I'll stroll in file. Chris suit mine with a thrift store soul. Slick talk sharp like I sip on goals. Got charm like chess in a dice games. Roll flip logic clean, that's controlled chaos. Flow vid tongue talk sweet, cut deep. Every bar hums when the room goes sleep. If I wink twice, that's cold, not cheap. Class in the slang, but the groove still steep. Velvet tongue talk sweet, cut deep. Every bar hums when the room goes sleep. If I wink twice, that's cold, not cheap. Class in the slang, but the groove still steep. I don't flex, I finesse syntax. Word gym rap, got bars on max. Rhyme scheme curvy like paragraph tracks. And the punchlines hit where the subtext cracks. Got a taste for the double entendre diet. Quiet storm vibe, but I never stay quiet. They want noise, I give them subtle riot. Polish up truth till the shine's defiant. I sip whip with a splash of shade. Half mint julep, half lemonade. Confidence tailored, custom made. Still the type to laugh when the bill gets paid. Velvet tongue talk sweet, cut deep. Every bar hums when the room goes sleep. If I wink twice, that's cold, not cheap. Class in the slang, but the groove still steep. Velvet tongue talk sweet, cut deep. Every bar hums when the room goes sleep. If I wink twice, that's cold, not cheap. Class in the slang, but the groove still steep. I don't flirt, I forecast charms, my dialect. Talking undertones, keep them indirect. Got that suit and scandal type intellect. Say it clean, but it lands suspect. Cool demeanor, hot take scholar. Punchlines read like fine print dollar. Got a flow so smooth, makes cynics holler. Velvet tongue with dripped in honor.